So I've been doing the Grow Your Dough challenge for the past 2 months with wealth hacker Jeff Rose, and now I'm going to be taking a look into February and how I did for the month. Hey guys, it's Justine with Debt Free Millennials, the channel for all things millennial, money, and debt-free living. If you want to learn how to live a debt-free life, stick around, hit subscribe, and like this video because I'm going to show you how I'm passively making income using a $1,000 investment challenge in Betterment. Now, Betterment is a new platform for me, so I've really only been looking at this thing for the last 2 months, but I was actually talking with Budget Girl, who is also doing this challenge, and she is using Ellevest, which is a robo-advisor specifically made for women. Betterment is also a robo-advisor, but it doesn't have this female-oriented mission. But our portfolios are set up very differently. We were talking about this, so the gauntlet has been thrown, BG. I'm coming for you. So let me show you how my investment performed for February inside Betterment. Okay, you guys, this is the inside of my dashboard inside of Betterment, and I'm really excited because it's growing again. Heck to the yes. So I'm going to hop over to performance, and you can see from the date that I started this, January 4th to yesterday, I have earned $102.13. So I started with $1,000, and this is the extra that I've earned. I haven't made any additional contributions to this. And what's really cool about this is I can see the cumulative interest rate that I've earned over the past 2 months, which is 10.2%. That is amazing. Oh my God, I wish it could be like this the entire year, but who knows? So I can look down here, I can see exactly how much I've earned. And if you guys watched my January episode of this challenge, I had made $80. So I've made about $22 in February. So that almost ends up being about $1 per day, a little less than. So not bad for just parking the money here and leaving it alone. I'm going to go over to holdings. And here's what I really like about Betterment is my target allocation was 90% stocks. And you can see exactly, what holdings I have in the fund fees per year, which is really nice. And then here, if you click on adjust, I actually have this thing called auto adjust on. And what it does is it automatically adjusts your portfolio allocation over time so that it can keeps you at your recommended moderate risk. So I have moderate risk. So if I want to turn that off, I can, and I can manually adjust it. Otherwise, they've got a really nice article that explains why automatically adjusting your allocation is a good thing. And considering I'm very passive with my investment strategy, this is exactly what I want. So you can hit submit, and then it's going to go ahead and put that puppy into play. This thing over here called drift, I was just looking at this earlier, is 1%. And I was like, what the heck is drift? And basically it says if your portfolio drifts 3%, either way, they're going to rebalance it. So they're going to give me like some more information on why rebalancing would be good. And I love that they put everything in layman's terms because a lot of the times when you're looking at numbers like this, it can be very confusing. So I really like that. My plan for the rest of March, I think, is just going to keep it where it's at. I talked about this before, but I could take this 104, so I've already made $2 in the past couple of minutes I've been talking here, but $104, I could take this and deposit it somewhere else, but to be honest, I think I'm going to keep on rolling the dice on Betterment. What do you think? What should I do? I can always make changes throughout the month. Okay, so I'm creeping ever so slightly with my performance on Betterment. I'm really happy about that. If you would like to try Betterment, remember they have a 0.25% annual fee, which is really cheap compared to actively managed portfolios with financial advisors. You can use my affiliate link to get 90 days managed free, and then I also get 30 days managed free. So it cuts down even further on your fees, which is amazing. If you like this video, consider subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, and I'll catch you next month and let you know how I did for Q1. It's going to be really interesting. I'm ready to make some money, guys. Let me know if you are too in the comments below.